Oh, let's look at it. A couple things. It doesn't look bad at all, actually. It's a little flat, but that's, you know, that can be arranged really quickly. Like for example, that tail could really use a side loop. Okay, so you could, you know, basically insert an edge loop. All right, that's pretty important to do that. And also, let's change first the size of your checker. So double click on it, so you get to the node, get to the repeat UV 24 by 24. That will give us a much better idea. If it gets like that, you got to change to quality rendering. That gives us a much better idea of the actual size. So as you can see, you have different size now. That's important to change that as fast as you can. Okay, everything needs to be. What's going on here? Okay, hold on here. Okay, now everything needs to be on the same and not overlapping. All right, right here, look at that. If I do that, it's completely overlapping. How are you going to texture that? That's impossible to texture. Okay, so you got to redo that. You got to basically select, for example, those UVs right here and move them away for now until you rescale stuff. Select those right here and move it away until you select. Select those right here and move them away until you select properly. Same thing for that one. Select all, there you go, and move it away. Now you basically have all your character. Alright, sorry, let me go in object mode. Right, you got all your stuff right there properly set up. It's a matter of size. You have that one also. So let me select just that one. Alright. And you have that one also, which is basically the tail. Okay, so you're gonna scale everything down. So you grab everything first of all and you scale it down first so it'll fit. All right, now you look at your stuff and say, hey, that's the torso. That might be the biggest piece I have, so I might want to make it a little bit bigger. Right, oops, oh, that regains my size. Pretty cool. Maybe a little smaller than that. And scale it properly so you get squares. Alright, and not rectangles. And you'll put it in one place. And then you do that with everything. Now you have that one right here and you say, hey, is it the same size squares, you know, than the other? So you put it, oops, sorry, I grab something else at the same time. You put, let's say, right here in the corner and you start looking at the size of your stuff. You know, that's, you know, maybe smaller or so. There you go, maybe smaller. And then when you get the proper size, you know, you do the whole thing like that and put them all right here. Okay, that's very important. So you lose a couple points for that. Besides that, it looks good. I got your work. You don't have any of the flop right here. You need to for the knee. Okay, so but not a bad job overall, pretty good.